Hey guys, I literally drank this drink. I got it from a bodega on my walks to my Airbnb, and I didn't show you guys what it was because I drank all of it. I was just like, you know what, let me try something new. I've never seen this before. I've never seen this before, this brand, but this was so good. So if you're ever in Philly and you see this, get this. I literally down this down. If you guys are new here, hi, my name is Taylor. Welcome to my visual diary. I am a travel vlogger, and today we are in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. And the reason we're here is a little special. I'm here for one of my bestest friends in the whole wide world, Patric. He is running the Philly Marathon, and this marathon is super important because it's his qualifier for the Boston Marathon. And so I was like, you know what? I'm going to pull up and cheer you on. This is a huge accomplishment, and I'm so proud of you and all the work that you put in. It doesn't go unnoticed, and I want to be there for you. So that's why I'm in Philly. I'm only here for I think we're only here, for 24, 36 hours. It's a really turnaround trip. I just wanted to take you guys with me just to show you a little bit about Philly because this is my first time going, and whenever I go somewhere new, I want you guys to see it. Initial thoughts on Philly. One, I flew Spirit this morning. And here's my thing on Spirit, okay? I have a love and hate relationship with Spirit. I have no problems with Spirit Airlines, but there are times when Spirit is just real ghetto. It's like whatever you think about Spirit and it being ghetto and like it being a mess, like there are times when you fly Spirit and it's like that. And that was my time today. Like the gate agent was yelling at everyone. Nobody spoke English when I was trying to board, so I didn't know like what my boarding group was. Like it just was a lot of things happening on the boarding process. Our flight was delayed, 2 hours? The flight attendants didn't know where people's seats assignments were, and somehow I got in the first class area Spirit because I didn't have a seat. They put me in the first class area. It was just there was a lot of things happening. They didn't even ask me if I wanted a drink because I had headphones in. They literally just didn't even ask me if I wanted something to drink. And obviously on Spirit, you gotta pay for everything. But I'm just like, you know what, Spirit. But you get what you pay for. Like the flight was literally $100 with tax. Like that was the total price for this flight. So I'm like, you know what? And it was a non-stop flight. So I was like, you know what? I'm not even gonna. Everybody was mad. Everybody that was boarding was mad. And I literally told everyone, I was like, we got what we paid for. And they were like, they literally came. Like they all just came to like, oh yeah, we did only pay like $80. So can we really be mad? No. So that was experience this morning. Very long, very, very long travel day. So then after that, I landed. And when I landed, we decided, not we because it's just me, but we because you guys are with me. Duh. So we decided to take public transport. And that took 2 hours. So the transport system is cheap. It's affordable to get from the airport to Central Philly is like $6.50, which again, you know how much Ubers are. That's very affordable. But the transport system is rough. Okay, this is the first time that I've actually been ticketed, actually ticketed on a transport system in my life. I've never experienced that in the States. I don't know, guys. Like, take it as a grain of salt. Like, if you feel comfortable, if you're really comfortable and seasoned with transport, I would take it. If you are a newbie at transport and you're going to look like you're a newbie at transport, I can't recommend it. You might get robbed. I'm not kidding. You might get robbed. And then the other thing too, it took entirely too long. It took me 2 hours to go literally 5 miles, and that's just not efficient. The amount of time it took me to get here it was really long. So it took 2 hours. It took longer than my flight from Atlanta to get to my Airbnb. So as far as transport and accessibility, I don't recommend it. I only recommend it to the people that take transport a lot and know what they're doing. And I think if you're on my channel, you kind of take transport a lot. So just be expected for major delays and it taking a long time and it being unsafe, kind of. That's my experience. Honest review, because I can't lie to you guys. Honest review. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to meet my friend Patric. We're going to go get Italian food because before a race, he has to eat thousands of calories. In order for him to have the energy to run, he has to eat a lot. So we're gonna go get Italian because he wants pasta. We're just gonna go get that. And his race is mad early, so we're gonna eat and then go to sleep and call it a night. I'm gonna shower, do my skincare, and read. Y'all know me. I'm auntie, like, let's be for real. This is not the Turn Up channel. Y'all know that. Love you guys. Welcome to Philly, baby. Mwah. Are you excited about your race?
I'm so excited. We're about to dominate tomorrow morning at 7 o'clock in the morning. Jesus. My mind, my body, they're all aligned for this, and we're going to kill it. I'm confident for the Boston Marathon, and for me to keep on snapping. And so to qualify, I need to make like 3 hours and 25 minutes. But I really want to prove to the world and prove to myself I can do even better than that. And so my goal is 3:10.
What do you like most about running?
What I love most about running is just that I feel like I can really connect to myself.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yeah. It makes me more confident. It just makes me just prove that I'm a badass.
Okay, we're gonna get it tomorrow. We're gonna kill it tomorrow.
That's cute. Okay, Patty. Yum. Bro. topping it down with milk, bro. Guys, we are back. I have showered. I have done my skincare because like I'm not going on any trip without my skincare. And I have finished the night with cookies. So as you guys saw, we went to this like after we got dinner, we went to Blueprint Cookies. And the ones that I got like the cinnamon, I think it's like the cinnamon sugar cake or something like that. And then I got the pumpkin cheesecake. And the one that I just ate was the pumpkin cheesecake. Oh my goodness. I'm not even normally like a cookie person. Like I'm a brownie person, but those cookies, that cookie ate. And then my friend Patrick, he had already had like the cinnamon sugar cake one, and he said that one was like literally of like it was so good. Like it's so good. And I got it topped off with chocolate almond milk. So far, Philly is amazing. I'm very shocked. I didn't know what to expect. I didn't really have any expectations on this trip because honestly, I just came truly to support my friend. As you saw, like he's really been working hard on the marathon and he's been training since May, and I think it's just really inspiring, especially because I've been with him since he began running in 2019, and to see the runner that he's turned into is just like amazing to see that he's here. Patrick is very humble, but Patrick places in races. Like in Atlanta, he wins races. So to see him at on a bigger level, I think he told me there was 15,000 people here running this marathon, and to see him going after it and following his dreams and like really like saying he was going to do something and doing it and just sticking with it and being consistent, it's just very inspiring and motivating. And like, I'm so proud of him. And I'm very honored to witness all of the glory that's going to come upon him. I love you, Patrick. My thoughts about Philly. I like Philly. I literally, like I said, had no expectations. I came just for the marathon. This is my first time in Philly. I like it. It reminds me of London and Brooklyn, very much like mid rises, a lot of bodegas, a lot of like culture. I feel like there's just like a lot of history here because it's one of America's older cities. And just like it's beautiful. Like the architecture is literally so pretty. Just like the brownstones and like the stoops. Like I love me a brownstone apartment, like or a home. Like, and I'm in a brownstone now. Like my Airbnb is in a brownstone. Like I love me a brownstone. I really like it. I like the vibe of the city. It feels very like neighborhoody. I feel like I haven't been in like the central city. I feel like I'm like close to central, but like right on like the outskirts. So it really feels like a Brooklyn vibe. It has like a lot of soul, I feel like. And it's just been like a really, really pretty city. Like I did not expect that. I don't know. I don't know what I was expecting, but it has definitely exceeded my expectations. I could picture myself here, so, or coming back and like really just like vibing for like a weekend in the summertime. I bet like this place is amazing in the summer. I bet there's like plenty to do. It is cold, so, well, it's not really cold. Like, I don't know. Like, my partner says that I am like a Neanderthal, whatever. I'm very good in the cold. I enjoy the cold. I don't mind it, which is crazy. I used to be such a summer baby, but like I think after living in Miami and living in like very hot tropical climates, like I enjoy the cold. It's temperate. I would say like I think the temperature when we were walking was like 42 degrees Fahrenheit. I think like my cutoff as far as like cold goes is like 0 degrees Fahrenheit. I think once we start going to the negatives, I'm like, you know what? We can warm it up a little bit. So anything really above 0 degrees, I'm okay. It's a very moderate but still cold climate. Like I like walking and needing a jacket. As far as the people seem pretty chill. From what I've seen, it's not really that diverse. I just see African Americans and white Americans. I have seen some Asian, but like it's not like a melting pot like your New York or your London or something like that. Doesn't seem that diverse, but again, I haven't been in the super inner city yet. Keep that in mind. I will know more tomorrow what I'm gonna do for the rest of the night. is I'm going to read my book and go to sleep. You already know. Because I got to be up mad early. Patrick's race starts at 7 a.m. And I want to make sure that I'm rested and I don't oversleep and I'm packed and I'm ready to meet him at 6 a.m. bright and early. So that's the plan for the night. And I will see you guys tomorrow on race day.